In another 4 days, club football will return to the island as last season's Jamaica Premier League finalist Cavalier and Mount Pleasant FC square off in the Caribbean Club Championship at Sabina Park. It will be a debut season for Mount Pleasant in the regional competition, and they are leaving no stone unturned.
Winning the Jamaica Premier League was always on the to-do list for Mount Pleasant FC, but playing in competitions outside of the island was atop that list. In a season where they bemoaned losing the Premier League title to Cavalier, they went away taking solace from the fact that they would be getting another window to showcase their players. It's almost a new-look dressing room, as a number of those players have since left the club and have been replaced by some familiar names from around the league. One of them is midfielder Alex Marshall.
I love the setup, being a part, knew most of the players, so it was easy to settle in, and, coaching staff and everybody was really welcoming. So, yeah, I'm happy for that and happy to be here.
And fans will be eager to see Marshall pulling the strings in the middle of the park as he did back in his early days.
I don't want to live in the past, but that was a good year for me, and so hopefully I can go back to those days,
Striker Nicholas Nelson has also made the trip from Dunbeholden, where he joined last season from Mullines United. He comes with experience.
It's not the first I'm playing CFU. I played last season when I was at Dunbeholden, but new team now, so I have to focus on a new season in CFU.
And despite the players' movement at the club, midfielder Kimoni Bailey says that will not affect them achieving their goal.
It's a rounded team, We have quality players here, so I don't think it's much of a pressure or anything like that. So we just have to gel with the team, like everyone that's here, because there's a lot of new players coming in and all that. So we just have to gel and get it right.
Defender Shaquille Dyer also brings experience to the team.
Well, it's nothing new, experience, in the league, It's a great feeling, to know that the team qualified, to play outside of Jamaica, So for me, it's gonna be a good one, To establish my talent and the growth that I've been doing, the work. Yeah.
And there are youngsters like Jamar Nolan, who is coming straight out of the academy.
It feels good I'm playing with a bigger set of boys and to develop my footballing skills. It's a great feeling. It was very hard at first because of different technical abilities from the older players, but now I'm getting along better. Yeah.
Coach Harold Thomas, who replaced Theodore Whitmore, has the task of guiding the club in their first major championship.
We have prepared really carefully for this. And we have great ambitions or intentions moving forward. It's something that we hope to become a normal, an annual event for us, participation in these competitions.
Mount Pleasant will kickstart their campaign against Cavalier next week Tuesday at Sabina Park, starting at 5 p.m.